Hi, good morning. This is Robil Mandol. It is 30 minutes past 11 o'clock, and we can say half past 11 o'clock, or we can say 30 minutes to 12 o'clock. Okay, so we can use any of them. So it is good morning. Before 12 o'clock, uh, we can use good morning. After 12 o'clock, we can say good afternoon. Okay, and I sat under a guava plant. I sat under a guava plant because it is so hot today and it is a sunny day. Look, it is a sunny day, and I came here to remove the weeds. And look, these are the weeds. Okay, it is a heap of weeds, and these are the undesirable plants, and uh, it is not good for our plants and crops. So time to time we have to remove the weeds to protect our crops and plants. And uh, there are many guava plant uh, beside and behind me, just to look at. And my father planted the guava plant, and it is so greenery. It is so greenery, and this is my native place. I am i mean my native place, and we can use I am at my native place. Okay, and these are leaves. These are guava leaves, and these are guava. These are guava. This is a sickle. We can say it's sickle, and we use it to cut the weeds. Okay, 1 minute. These are weeds. Weeds. Okay, just see. These are weeds, and today we'll remove the weeds properly as soon as possible and as much as possible, because now I'm cutting the weeds. Just see, I'm cutting the weeds now. There are some dry leaves of our guava plants, and we can use them to produce the organic manner. These are the types of weeds, and the smell of these weeds are so hard, and we can use them to our crops as pesticides or insecticides. But there is a long process to make it. Now I am making the hoop. This is a heap of dry leaves, and these dry leaves mixed with some green weeds, and this is a heap of green weeds, and we can use them by feed of our goat. I have three goats, and they like to eat the weeds. Okay, these are green grass, and we can say also the weeds. Just I am removing the grass, and will take with me for my goat. They will eat happily, and it has a good nutrition, and it helps to growth of our goats. This is a bunch of bananas hanging from the plant. I should cut the dry leaves of banana plants. And there are uh, more than 50 bananas plant here. My father planted them, and we should keep clean to better production. Now I will take some green banana leaves because it is so soft. It is so soft, and yeah, my goats can eat easily, and they can eat happily. Eat. I have taken two green leaves. Just I am finding my position. Where is my bag? Just here, this position. Okay, it is my bag. And now I am cutting the leaves into pieces. One, two, three. One, two, three. Okay, I have cut it into pieces. Mm, And this is a walnut tree. My father planted this tree, walnut tree, and my father planted a sugar cane. Beside my beside my farm, there is a boundary wall. Okay, inside the boundary wall, it is the um, graveyard of our village. Okay, so it is constructed for protect the graveyard. Okay, this is our graveyard. This is our village graveyard. Okay, this is this is our walnut tree, and this is a position of a sugar cane. Thank you for watching my video.